everybody, welcome back to my channel, Chrissy's Point of View. Today we are continuing this series all about money. Today we focus on investment. What type of investment you should make and how to go about making these type of investments to avoid certain mistakes and so on and so on and so on. So stay tuned. So we'll talk about the three types of income, which is income earned, portfolio income, and passive income. So income earned is for those who work 8 to 4, 9 to 5, whatever shift that you have, you work for other people, right? Whether you work from home or not, that's earned income. Portfolio income, flipping homes, you buy properties, you flip the properties, then you sell them over, flipping homes, and buying stocks and stuff, and you sell them at a greater price, right? That's portfolio income, which the rich don't really concentrate on. What the rich concentrate on is passive income, so they can continue to grow their cash flow. They believe in growing their cash flow, increasing their cash flow constantly. So they will buy up a lot of homes by borrowing other people's money, right? Increasing their real estate, increasing their financial education. So he concentrates on investing and increasing your financial education to raise your financial IQ. He goes deep and deep and deeper and deeper into focusing on getting that financial IQ up is most important, because you don't want to make the wrong investment, because at the end of the day, there's always risk, right? But you need to know how to manage risk, and the only how you're going to know how to manage risk is if it is you get the right teacher. Do not go and get the wrong teacher and then see that Robert Kiyosaki told you to go and get a teacher. Is getting the right teacher who knows their stuff is where it is going to get you to the other level, right? He also says that there are fake teachers. So for those who are going to college and those who went to college and all these different things, those are not the teachers that it is you should be focusing on. Let's just say you have a PhD in information technology, or you're a doctor or some type of engineer. They don't exactly teach you how to invest and how to go about investing your money. So that's why he spoke about fake teachers and focusing on getting education. Invest in education, right? Invest in education, don't matter what, because that is what it is going to carry you through. Applied knowledge is what it is going to carry you through. If it is you need to buy a bunch of trucks or whatever, you want to go into the trucking business, you want to go into the car business, selling cars, that is what you need to do. Get your information first. Educate yourself first before it is you start making those moves. You want to sell cars, what it is you have to do to bring cars into your country from Japan or whatever country, you do your research first before you start doing that investment. Now, based on having ideas and investing in it, or you see an idea is working and you want to piggyback on that idea, understanding how you get that cash flow, which is how you're going to raise the capital, he also pays special attention to figuring out how are you going to afford it. Not I can't afford it, but how am I going to afford this thing, right? Ideas will flow. Once it is you think, you have to think in order for ideas to flow, my friends. You have to think in order for ideas to flow. He says only lazy people don't think. Only lazy people think like, I can't afford this. Right? So in order for your cash to continue flowing and flowing and flowing and flowing, which is how the rich think, to increase their passive income, they invest. They take risk, right? They take risk to get this passive income. Leave a comment if it is you understand, you have the understanding of what I'm speaking about, right? They believe in increasing their cash flow. They focus on increasing their cash flow. They don't study about income earned or earned income. They don't study about portfolio income, which is like flipping homes. They just focus on investment to allow their cash flow. And they borrow from other people, my people. They borrow from other people to reduce their taxes. That's the trick. They borrow from other people to reduce their taxes, because remember, you are only taxed if you are working for people. And they are not working for people, but they are borrowing money from banks and stuff to purchase homes, to purchase apartments, to purchase, let's say they have a trucking business, they purchase, let's say, several trucks, right, to go from A to B. They have in their head, hey, this is going to get me so and so amount of money per month or per week if I invest in purchasing these amount of trucks. And they go to the bank and get financial statement, because basically increasing your financial education to invest in all these things, houses and apartments and stuff. You now think like a rich person. You now think like a wealthy person. Your mindset changes into thinking like how a wealthy person thinking. No longer you think like how a employee which has earned income from 9 to 5 jobs, because you have taken your education. So focus on taking in your education. Educate, right? And your financial IQ will increase, and then you choose to invest. Raise your capital and then invest. Even if you have a small business right now, don't use your money. Use the small business money. Right? It is advised to use that money to invest in properties, to invest in real estate. Right? And remember, do not go to fake teachers. Go to real teachers. Like, read books like Fake Money, Fake Teachers by Robert Kiyosaki. There's a whole series. He also went into depth about investing, not really focusing on money, because he said fake money that they print every day. So he went into in depth about investing in silver. So he has a particular video about speaking about investing in assets and silver, because silver is an industrial metal. So you should do some research on that also. And if you have not checked out my video on assets and liabilities, changing your liabilities to assets, because your car is a liability, you can convert it to an asset, you need to check out that video. You should check out that video. It was very, very informative, so you can get a better understanding on how to start investing. Thank you very, very much for tuning in to Chrissy's Point of View today. I hope you take notes, my people. Take notes. Write it down. Do not trust your brain. Take notes, my people. I hope that you have also subscribed to my channel. Leave a comment down below. I also left a gift down below for you. Click that link below. Click that link below and check out that gift that I left for you. Remember, I'm here to help you all achieve and be successful. Be the best that you can be, don't matter what, and keep moving forward. And success is yours. All you need is within you now. So if you have not clicked that subscribe button, please do that now. Click that notification bell, and see you next time on Chrissy's Point of View.